Hey guys, DJ Rail here. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Just you clicking subscribe right now would really help me out. But this is Heat in a Click. It's a slow motion video. This stuff is crazy. It contains like sodium acetate. It's like a salt-based solution and it's in sealed plastic. And the small metal disc in here, when you flex it, a molecular reaction is started and it causes the solution to crystallize, and from that reaction it releases a load of heat, and then to sort of recycle it, to reuse it again, you simmer a pot of water, put a little cloth in the bottom so this doesn't touch the bottom of the pan, and then you put it in the boiling water until it turns back to a liquid form. As you can see, liquidy. I have some new guys here as well. I haven't used these ones yet. But onto the slow motion. So I'm going to flex this and then we'll put it in slow motion and you can see the guy work. It's super cool. Are you ready? And you ready? Flex. Of course I can't do it now. I'll do it on the back. Come here. And there we have it. It is solid and it's really warm. Now all I have to do is enjoy that heat, and it's giving off real good heat. Now when I'm done with it, boil it back up, it's good to go. So that's Heat in a Click. And I ordered mine off eBay. I think I got 4 for $24 Canadian. And they're awesome. Give them a try. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.